Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the YouTube request contains and invalid agreement error on your mobile phone. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option. Now tap on search bar. Search YouTube. Click on the YouTube, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow, second contacts allow, another third location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications turn on or enable notification option, back and tap on phone allow, auto send videos allow. Okay, complete, allow all permission and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and now check your internet connection or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search YouTube, update YouTube app to the latest version. My YouTube app already updated. Okay, done. And open your YouTube app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.